Franklin D. Roosevelt once said, "A nation that destroys its soil destroys itself." Forests are the lungs of our land, purifying the air and giving fresh strength to our people. Hello, everyone. My name is Jocelyn Fang, and today I'm going to be talking about regenerative agriculture. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. In this TED Talk, you'll learn about regenerative agriculture and how it's an important innovation for a better future. So, what is regenerative agriculture? Regenerative agriculture is a method of farming that focuses on long-term sustainability and soil health. Many of its practices help mitigate key agricultural issues. For example, agroforestry helps mitigate the negative effect of deforestation. It's just the act of leaving trees around the farmland, but it can have a huge impact. The trees work as wind blockers, preserving soil and blocking wind from creating soil erosion, while they also absorb carbon dioxide in the area and provide a habitat for animals. This singular act improves soil quality, air quality, and brings some biodiversity to farms. Another amazing example is the Milpa system. Never heard of it? Well, it's also known as the Three Sisters, which is the method of planting corn, beans, and squash together. This is really productive since each of those crops benefit each other in their own way, improving growth without need for harmful fertilizers and pesticides. These are a few of many regenerative agriculture practices I believe can be incorporated into current farming methods to improve our food industry. According to soil scientists, at our current rates of soil destruction, within only 50 years, we'll not only suffer serious damage to public health, but we'll no longer have land viable to farm on. This means that in the future, there could be a massive shortage of safe-to-eat food. But how is this possible? Well, more than half of the world's agricultural land is degraded. In other words, nutrient exhausted. This impacts us consumers negatively, since soil quality dropping means produce quality dropping. It also means huge productivity losses. In the UN, they amount to $400 billion a year, which is a lot. It may seem hard to imagine all the land in our world and not a single acre viable to farm on, but our resources aren't infinite, so it's important to modify our methods. And that's where regenerative agriculture comes in. Regenerative agriculture is a solution to this, salvaging degraded land and turning it into new, better farming land. Regenerative agriculture can create better farming systems, more resilient to climate extremes, such as droughts. This is proven by the FAO, short for Food and Agricultural Organization of the United States. In this picture, a research field demonstrates how corn fares under drought conditions after being grown using conventional tilling. By using methods like conventional tilling, agroforestry, and more, we can help preserve our soil quality, improving produce quality and general public health. It's not just about improving yields. It's about cultivating a sustainable future for generations to come. In conclusion, regenerative agriculture is an important innovation for the future because it could lead to healthier farms, better products, healthier people, and a healthier planet. It's something we can learn from and incorporate into our current practices to make a cleaner world. Thank you for listening to my TED Talk.